We'll guide you through how to unsubscribe on YouTube. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, just come to YouTube and then you need to come over to the left here and you need to go and scroll down. You'll go and see subscriptions. Of course, make sure you've got the correct channel selected. What you can then do is click on show more and you can click on all subscriptions and you'll see a list here of each channel you're subscribed to. And what you can then do to go and unsubscribe is go over to the right and click on where it says subscribed and you can click on unsubscribe. You'll need to confirm your decision and just like that, subscription has now been removed. If there's a channel you know you want to unsubscribe to though, what you can do is just go and search for it, for example, Beast Reacts, and you can then go over to the right, click on subscribed and click on unsubscribed and confirm your decision. If you're using a phone, come to the bottom of the YouTube app, click on subscriptions and go to the top right of the subscriptions page and click on all. When you see a channel you want to unsubscribe from, go and click on the bell icon to the right and you can then click on unsubscribe. Once again, if there's a channel you know that you want to unsubscribe from, click on the search in the top right and you can go and search for it. Then what you can do is go and click on subscribed and click on unsubscribe. It's that simple.